Discover Bali, a beginner's guide to its stunning beaches. To start, let's marvel at Kuta Beach. Known for its vibrant nightlife and beginner-friendly surfing, it's a dynamic hotspot you can't miss. Next, we explore Seminyak Beach. Luxurious resorts, chic restaurants, and a tranquil sunset make it a haven for relaxation seekers. Behold the unspoiled beauty of Nusa Dua Beach. Its safe swimming conditions and colorful coral reefs are perfect for family adventures and snorkeling enthusiasts. On to the hidden paradise of Balangan Beach. With its iconic clifftop view, it's an Instagram-worthy destination you'd love. We'll also take you to Sanur Beach, where the calm waves meet a cultural hub full of traditional Balinese charm. Lastly, unwind in the secluded Binjai Beach. Its aqua-blue waters, towering cliffs, and offbeat vibe will surely captivate your soul. Come, let's uncover Bali together.